This is Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at the Gorham Laundromat. We're in Dickie Kimber's building right now from the cleanout, from the new install. Everything appears to be intact. I'm into the manhole here. We're gonna start coming back. We have all the water flowing. It'll be a little harder to see because it is all hot water coming through that. Some of that nastiness on there. Wow.
Green clear?
So far, so good. Cable's getting a nice douching, that's for sure. Steam. Yeah, it's all hot water. If you got bronchitis, it'd be nice to breathe it in. Some of that possible bleach in there.
Yeah.
You know?
Shake it up a little bit.
These crud that's on the walls is no big deal. Now, where could these mop strings be getting in?
They must go through the basket because we do like a bunch of mops for different businesses.
Okay. Might have to go thinner on the basket or something. Like, was it a formed basket that goes in the thing?
You know, no, it's this basket of the wash machine. You know
Gotcha.
It
Okay.
must go through the holes and go through the drain.
Probably. I mean, a change somehow makes it out.
Yeah, yeah, it doesn't make sense to me. You know what I mean?
Almost like you needed to like drain into something that you'd have a filter that can catch that stuff.
Well, yeah, you know what? A lot of like newer places they have an open trough. With all the machines dumping in an open trough.
Yes. I think the Christmas Tree Inn has that.
Yep. Got lucky, Dick.
Yeah.
Yep. Just plug.
Okay.
We like that.
Yeah, I like the easy stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we'll get back to that 2-foot section and check it out. Because I mean, it could possibly be a break and we're just cut through. But even if that's the case, at least the water's moving.
That's just not good through stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
How long is that cord?
This one here is 200 feet.
Yeah, thanks.
A little bit of a sag out there.
Probably 40. With Scott or
Brian?
no, landlord.
Well, we tried calling him, me and Scott. Scott tried to call him to keep your number.
Oh, okay.
That's what, then you must have got Scott calls from me and Scott this morning.
Yeah. Did he say anything about the mode? This big time mode. So we had to take one wall down in this building. Yeah, but it's all on that side. It's, you can still smell it. You know what I mean? And that's the reason why I think 4 of his workers left, because they couldn't stand the mold. And it was straight in the bath. You know? So I didn't know if we would do something about it. Even the health club.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get closer. An offset right there. See right there, 12 feet.
That's a nice offset. Yeah.
Separated, right?
Yeah, so that water's washing out under that thing. It's going to cause a sinkhole.
Oh, yeah.
And that will drop.
That's 12 feet out.
Yep.
So just be on the sidewalk or in the
Yep,
sidewalk.
that one's pretty good. much intact. Right there at 8 feet, you can see another offset right there.
That's like 50. Well, like 20.
That weight.
Yep. Yep. This?
Yeah. See, what we use it for the door?
Oh, those, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So that,
Yeah, that will help with shoulders.
absolutely.
That's what the plan is today. Shoulders and chest. Figure that we have him do his last week, I had him do flat bench press and flat thighs. I think I can do
Yeah, we could definitely got an offset right around there too. But at least the water's going through. That's the repair.
Yeah.
Turn around so you know this is the place. Well, that concludes the cleaning and inspection.